It's a good life in the happily ever after. Last page of the very last chapter. It's the story of a charmed life.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is November 13th, if I'm not mistaken. No, 14. Oh, wait. Yes, it is November 14th. Piper is playing at the floor. Now she's right there. I'm sorry if my room is messy. I haven't fixed ever since I got back from Hong Kong. And I'm sorry if I didn't vlog there. I'm not even sure if I'm going to put this up. But I'm on my way to an event. I'm going to Nature Republic's opening at Robinson's Place. Anita, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going there. And yeah, so as you can see from the background, my room is extremely messy. I have my Spotify playing at my TV, that's why it's kind of loud. Oops. My cat is right there. She's wondering who I'm talking to. And let me check if I can. Piper. 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 The last time I showed her to you guys, she was so little. Ayan. Ganyan siya kalikot. Mabait lang yan pagtulog. Charing. Anyway, so I'm just gonna get ready. And, well, actually, I'm all set. But I'm just gonna put on some accessories. And this is my outfit. I don't really do OOTDs because I'm not really that fashionable. You guys know that. But, yeah, I'm just going to put on some accessories. I'm actually gonna go grab an Uber na. Pero yeah, it's 10:16. I'm supposed to be there at 11. So hey guys, so I'm already at the event. I'm already done taking photos, and some of the bloggers are already inside. I'm still waiting for Jenzel. So let me take it inside with me. Hi, Misan. Hi, Misita. Hi, Zaya. Look at here. Good. Ano napili mo?
Dalawa pa lang.
Dalawa yan?
Dalawa daw for 475. Tapos 80 sheets na siya.
Okay na. So guys, ito na yung mga napipili ko. Yan, yung makeup remover, because wala na akong makeup remover, toner, which I wish I could get. Ayan, aloe vera toner. Because I tried their yung moisturizer and I really like it. Eyebrow pencil and then a lip liner. Ay, galing yata. Nail polish pala. So, ayun. Gentle is still checking out some products. Hey guys, I am finally home. I got a few. Is this few? Well, I got a few clear bags. I believe I did sort of like a mini haul at the main store. It was a successful opening, if I may say so myself. And they gave me a gift as well, sort of like a thank you gift. And I got a package from Burt's Bees, which I'm very excited to open. And I also bought something from Gordo's because Jensen and I saw a really beautiful box. I know it's kind of weird that I bought a box, but I'm really fond of boxes. As I'm not sure if you guys know that, but I'm really fond of boxes. So I bought a box from there, and it's really pretty. I'm going to show you that later. So yeah, I also got a package, a holiday package from Burt's Bees, which I will be showing you guys later. I'm also going to be snapping about it. If you were not following me at Snapchat, I do suggest you follow me guys in there because I do mini reviews. Speaking of mini review, I am definitely parched. I'm very, very thirsty right now, which I guess is the reason why my lips are very dry right now. So I guess that's the reason why that is happening. I'm not sure. This is Piper. Why? Where's her? Why? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Say hi. Say hi at the video. Say hi. Wow. Say hi at the video. Say hi. Say hi to them. I am gonna be back later. If not, I will be ending the vlog right here. But probably not. That's my mouth. But yeah. If not, I will be ending the vlog right here. And I will see you guys on my next event vlog. Probably. Yeah. I don't vlog as normally I don't vlog daily anymore or on a weekly basis anymore because, well, nothing's really happening in my life, to be quite honest with you guys. So, yeah, I will see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you for watching this one. And, yeah, pag hindi pa tapos to, or if I end up vlogging more, then that's a good thing. If not, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I think I already said that. I love you guys. Do follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. I'm very, very addicted to Snapchat right now. I suggest you follow me and I'll follow you back. So, I love you guys. Bye.